everyone, how are you doing today? Recently, the Clarisonic Mia 2 was on sale for $119, which is $50 cheaper than its regular price. But if you guys missed on buying that, or if you guys decided to not buy it because it was too expensive, I have a little, you can say, dupe or alternative for you, which would cost you less than $40. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Recently, this company, Jerrybox, contacted me asking me if I was interested in testing out any of these products, and this was a first for me, so of course I jumped at it. And they sent me this little cleansing brush, and when they told me they have it, I was very excited because I recently did kind of a comparison between Clarisonic Mia 2 and the Smart Profile Uplift. I did end up keeping the Smart Profile Uplift, but I was very hesitant to recommend it to anybody because I feel that they are very pricey. Shelling out $100+ for a cleansing brush for a single person is a lot of time not an option for families. So when they said this retails for under $40, I was very excited. And on top of that, they said that we will offer you a coupon for your viewers, and the coupon will be listed in the description box below or towards the end of the video. It's not an affiliate coupon, it's just a discount code for you guys. You get $5 off. This one retails for $39 something on Amazon, which means if you are in those areas where Amazon gives 1 day free delivery for orders over 35, you will get this in a day. I did, even after applying the discount codes. So I thought this was an amazing option. If you're not a Prime member, this will still ship for free. So I thought this was a win-win. So let me tell you a little bit about this product, and I'll show you a little demo, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts. So this is the box that it comes in. On the side of the box, it tells you that it comes with 2 brushes, a soft brush and a normal brush. On the other side of the box, it tells you that it has a waterproof level of IPX7. It has sonic vibrations for deep cleaning, skin-friendly DuPont bristles, and a blue light for sanitization. As you open the box up, the actual device sits on top, and then the rest of the accessories are at the bottom. It comes with the cap with holes to aid in easy drying of the bristles, and the soft cleansing brush already attached, and then the normal brush is included as a separate accessory. The charging stand comes with a USB charging point, but it does not come with an actual USB charger. Press the button once and it starts. It has 2 speeds, normal and faster. And then it kind of beeps or buzzes or stops buzzing every 10 seconds to remind you to move from one part of your face to the other. And you press a 3rd time, it stops. And it's supposed to stand upright very easily. In the base, it's supposed to have a blue light for sanitization. In the brochure, they say that it's a UV light, and someone in the Amazon reviews tested it with a UV sensor, and they did not think it was a UV light. I contacted the company, and as per company's response, it is a UVA light, which is, according to them, going to sanitize your bristles. And according to them, people who were testing the UV light were using a UVB sensor. That's why they didn't think that it was a UV light. Anyways, other than that, this one sits very nicely upside down in this little stand, and it charges at the same time it dries. However, I feel that the bristles are too close to the base, and you know, if you have any little standing water or something else in the counter, the bristles are a little too close to the bottom for my comfort. Okay, I personally don't like them being so close. Other than that, I like how nicely it just sits in. I wish it did that with the cap, and I would recommend that you store your brush, if you're not charging it, with the cap on. That way it'll dry and it'll stay protected at the same time. I like that it came with the 2 brushes. The brushes feel pretty nice and soft and very comparable to what I have on my Clarisonics, and this soft brush is actually very soft. So I thought this was a nice option if you wanted to just get a Clarisonic for cleansing your skin. Alright, so let's do a quick demo. As I said, this thing is pretty waterproof. I'm going to use a makeup remover wipe to remove my foundation and lipstick first, and then I'll do the cleansing with the brush. I'm going to use the Skin Fix Foaming Oil Cleanser. I know that you're probably not supposed to use it under your eyes, but I'm gonna use it. To be honest, I don't know what's the purpose of these beeps. They are also present in the Clarisonics, and I actually never pay attention to them. Oh, I forgot to mention that this one also has a 60-second auto shut off. It's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna clean that, wash my face, and I'm done. So overall, I feel that this is such a nice, cute, little brush. I like the way it kind of fits in my hand. I like the way it cleanses. I think that it's very ergonomic to use and easy to use. I like that it comes with a separate, normal brush head and a soft brush head. I like the sanitizing drying stand. I don't like the fact that the feet are so low. I wish it was a little bit higher, or it had some sort of a little, protection from the elements of the counter surface. But overall, I thought this was a good alternative to Clarisonic Mia 2, because the Mia 2 does not take a massaging head. But if you're getting the Mia 2, there is an option to add the foundation brush. Now for the Lavany device, they do have an option to purchase these two brushes as replacement brush heads. Just like Clarisonic, they recommend that you buy them every 3 months. I don't know if I'll be doing that, but that's what they recommend. And the replacement brush duo costs $30, which I thought was a little bit on the pricier side. I wish they would have offered the option to buy just one brush at a time for $15. I think that would have been a more affordable option, but it's good to have the soft brush head option for the face and then a normal brush head option maybe for the neck and such. I like that the device holds the charge for quite a long time. It charges in a decent amount of time. I just wish they would have also given us a little, charging point to add our USB thing in, because I seem to be falling short of those. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the review. I was very excited to get a product for free. You can buy this one for $40 off of Amazon. The link is in the description box below, and you can use the coupon code and get an additional $5 off, so it'll cost about $35 plus tax. No one can avoid a tax. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!